Did you turn 50 this year?
Yeah. Because he's my little tourist baby. So, you know, for 12 years he just gets... But he took the cake. When he came to my house and dropped that off, I'm thinking...
Yes, they need advanced pedicure certification.
Yes. You're not getting that personal... Because you look at their pictures and you... That is the... I had never had a massage, never had a facial.
Oh, wow.
I think that was... That was
Yeah.
like... So I booked another one of them.
Yeah, Mary has like these little...
He was like, oh, you gotta go out here. And I'm like, 45. Drive further than that. Then now that I'm here, I'm like, oh my God. I can't even go to the person that's been doing my nails forever. Like, no, I'm gonna wait and see what they have to say. No, I'm not. No. 9th? Something. The end of April. I know they went.
Did you turn 50 this year?
Yes. That was why I did the clean for the day. Remember, I was talking to you about that. I treated I had booked that day that I was here when I left from you.
Oh, okay.
I'm like, oh yeah, this is me.
This is me.
And I'm so glad I did because
Go run an errand. And I'm like, no. I'm, you know, just getting all of my demand. Oh, this is nice. Oh.
Well, reach out there, system, and some cash to go in his pocket. Here, we cover all aspects. And
yes.
It did not cost me $50,000.
Right.
You know, you just go way overboard.
Yeah.
But he's always been a simple kid. One year, I spent several $100s on him for Christmas. You know what he played with? The boxes.
Yeah.
And then after that, Christmas went down for him. Like,
right.
Okay, I'm learning. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like, who's the idiot here?
Who else is in
How
the
many
house?
kids do you have?
2.
Okay. And actually say, okay, you have toe fungus. You know what I'm saying? Like, no, they just take the polish off, put another polish on.
Right.
They may trim it if you ask. If you don't say trim, right.
You do want your feet to feel good, and if you're having discomfort,
like with the curved toe thing, like that has been a problem for years.
mm-hmm.
Like I said, I've been to the salon for years, and they've never gave me a solution to, hey, if you do this, that we can loosen that up a little.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Fix that, you know. But no, they just, you know, color it, polish it, and keep it going.
Right.
No.
Right.
No.
You're like, what are my Google keywords I need to be
Yes,
searching for to find it?
Because when you hit them, even when they say salon, you're not getting that personal, because you look at their pictures and you look at the salon. Like, no, you have 5 pedicure seats. No,
Mm-hmm.
I want the pedicure room. You don't have a pedicure room? I'm sorry, I'm not coming. Because I was just looking because you were so booked. I'm like, okay, I can find someone else. But I see why my daughter had to come here. It's no natural, that's just not widely. You know, I'm not saying that they're not out in the yard. Tell them something, go get your lawnmower out the garage. And had me cutting grass. And, he tricked me. He tricked me good, too. Oh, that was so funny. I said, he got me. I told my husband, we got to watch him. He's full of trickery this year. He is the lawn man riding around with his weed whacker and stuff because he knew I didn't have one.
Well, he wants to help you out.
He didn't know that my husband just brought me one. And he would have asked me, I could have told him that I got a battery operated one. I didn't go with the gas because my father-in-law cemented the backyard. Thank God there's no grass except for along the fence. So I only have to cut the front.
Okay.
So I didn't need the most powerful weed whacker or blower in America.
Right.
So I only got to do the front. So he came, he edited me, pulled out the lawnmower, cut it, water fly.
Love pretty green grass.
Yes. I should have took a picture of it because he cut the lines in the diagonal.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that.
He don't like it when we be gone all day, but he'll tolerate it, especially if he gets something. That's how I knew when I was trying to offer him what he wanted from Home Depot to buy him 4 of them. Oh, those big buckets to put his tools in.
Oh, yeah.
Those big black buckets with the yellow tops.
Yep.
I said, I'll buy you 4 of them if you leave me alone about the yard. He was like, as bad as I want it.
Can't do it.
That's not no. Like, I'm doomed.
You are doomed. Absolutely.
That's crazy.
Well, maybe in your neighborhood, do you guys have the people who drive around and put the green thumb awards in the yards? You guys will get on the list of the green thumb awards.
No, he would probably be the president of that.
Yeah. You should tell him he should start a club.
Oh, no. You know, maybe he will to get in there.
Yeah, start a
maybe
club.
Maybe if he's harassing the neighborhood.
Uh-huh.
But he already motivated everybody on his block. They out there planting flowers, cutting it. I'm telling you, it's like the.
That's good. Improve the neighborhood.
Yes, this year. Like, I ain't gonna lie. We came out the back door and out the back. I barely looked at the front, so it didn't bother me.
Right.
But it bothered my neighbors. This year I'm doing it because my brother got me involved. So
You're like, don't worry, neighbors.
yeah, they're actually happy because they cut the abandoned house that was next door to me grass. That's how bad it would look. The abandoned house grass looked better than mine last year.
Oh god.
But somebody brought it now, so they over there fixing on it now. But yeah, they used to make me look real bad last year. So it's funny that, you know, now this year I'm back in the flowers and stuff. But I think after my daughter passed, I kind of lost my, you don't do that. But so she feels some type of way, you know, because of that.